Okay, what's up?
Go your pouch. Rats in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts.
You know, I've never been good at making intros. So anyways, it's been a while since I've posted on here, but I got a package and it's kind of heavy a little bit. So this company reached out to me, which is pretty freaking cool because, like, I mean, who the hell am I? But yeah, they reached out to me and they asked if I would like to try out some of their clothes, and I said hell yes, send them my way. The name of the company is African Mall, which I'm kind of like on, because it's like, it's a Chinese company. Why are you called African Mall? When I first saw it, I got hyped for like 0.5 seconds because I was like, oh my gosh, it's an African company, oh my gosh, but it wasn't. So yeah, but I'm just gonna get into it. So when I went on their website, they reminded me of like a Shein, Zaful, Romney type of store, right? But let me be honest, when they first reached out to me, which was like months ago, they didn't have diddly squat on the website. Like literally, it was like what, 15 items on the website. So I was sitting there like struggling to choose what I wanted because it was like so little to choose from. And I don't know, but I will say, since when they first hit me up and now, they have so much more products. So I guess they're doing their thing now. They're growing, you know, they're expanding, because they did not have as much as they have now before. So let's, ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Look at my butt. Look at my butt. It looks so funny. I like this. It's different, but I like it. Like, I would wear it like one shoulder though. Ooh. Okay, so this is it. It looks really frumpy on the camera, but I like how it looks in the mirror. Okay, this is how the model had it on. I really like this. Okay, next piece. This is the next one, and I am in love. Like, this is so cute. This is so me. And I've been wanting to do DIYs of like hoodies and crop tops with these drawstrings. So now I have one, and I don't have to DIY, but I still probably will. Let me know if you do want to see me attempt to DIY something like this. I love this. Obviously it's not for the summer, but I will be wearing it in the fall. You already know. You already know. This is so cute. I got this in a small. Ew, I look ugly. I got this in a small, and I got this in a small. So if you're a true size medium, sometimes you can fit a small, then get your stuff in a small because they run pretty big on that site. I love this, and it's good quality. Like, it doesn't, like, I'm actually shocked so far because, like, when I be ordering from China, like direct from China, a lot of the stuff is just like, the quality is like hit or miss. But so far I'm good on the quality. Like, this feels like quality material. It stretches nice. Yes. Yo. First of all, I just zippered my leg trying to zip this up. But clumsy me. Yo, look at, yo, hold up. Y'all gotta get a better view of this. I'm not even like trying to hype them, but first of all, this is a medium, and I'm so glad I got a medium because a small would have been too tight. I think I did really well on the sizing. Why is this over here and not in the middle? I'm confused. Okay, now it's good. Yo, I'm so hyped. This fits. And it fits my waist. Like, I swear, every time I buy like a skirt of any kind, especially a leather skirt, it does not fit me here. Like, it'll fit me so nice right here, right? But then it'll be like this. Ugh, I hate it. But this fits. I can't believe that. And it doesn't look like that like OD cheap leather. It's like doable, you know? Okay, so here's my problem with skirts. They either like just don't fit me on the waist and it's too big and I got like this gap going on back here, or it pops out down here. I love the zipper details. I'm into that. I like that it's actual pocket. This is not a real pocket. This is not a real pocket either. But this one is. And yeah, it's lit. This is the last thing that I picked. Another skirt, which I'm kind of like, I wish I did get something else. Something like more just different from everything else that I chose. I have way too many denim skirts already. But this is actually really cute. It has zippers once again. It has zippers going up and down. I keep zipping myself. So you can like zip it up and down. Let me see what it looks like unzipped a little bit. Okay, see that thing that I was talking about with the popping? It's doing it on this skirt. Unless I need to wear it higher, because it fits on my waist, but it's doing that popping thing that I was talking about. So see how it's doing that? I hate that. I don't know if it's because I'm not wearing it high enough. Maybe, yeah, okay. Maybe I was wearing it too low. It's stretchy, which I like. Yeah, and this is also a medium. Alright, so that's it for the haul. I will say overall, I think the items that they sent me were all pretty good. Pretty good quality wise, and I liked how it fit me too. My favorite piece, I don't know, like honestly, is between the first three. I think this is gonna have to be my favorite. I just feel like it's different. You're not gonna see many people wearing something like this, so I'm excited to wear that one. Thanks for, you know, hitting me up and seeing me worthy to review your clothes African mall. I feel like you should get it together with a name though, because you're not an African mall. Another plus, it took a week to get here, so that's pretty good. I would give it a good 2 thumbs up, if that's even a rating. Yeah, I would give it a 2 thumbs up. The only thing that I would say is like, I don't know, is that pricing though. Like, some of their items are really affordable. I mean, most of their items are really affordable. I should probably stop doing that. Most of their items are affordable, but I feel like some items are not worth the price. So yeah, they're like, I could see myself buying a couple of things from the site, but not like, oh my gosh, I want all of this, because their pricing is kind of off to me. But other than that, I really like the stuff that they sent. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe to keep up with me and my shenanigans and my randomness, because I be all over the place with my videos, but whatever. Thank you for watching, and yeah, we out. I'm out. What was that? I really want to film a video, but like, I don't know.
Just like a golfer. We riding foreigns, ain't no more Impalas. Ain't had no new bum, but I got baby bottles. Shopping at Barney, I drip like a